Over the past couple months, we've given you a tour and have introduced you to PA Green Wellness. And today we're learning much more about the science behind stem cells. Here with us this morning is Patient Services and Education Director, Jen Frey. Welcome, Jen.
Hi, Sunny. Nice to be back.
It's so good to have you here again.
Always a pleasure.
You bet. Would you please remind us of HCTP, otherwise known as stem cells? What are they?
Sure. Just as a reminder, HCTP refers to human cell and tissue product. It covers both stem cells and growth factors. These are components that we introduce into the biologic tissue of the body, and it changes the body. The body will regenerate and reverse chronic conditions, and therefore eliminate the symptoms that come with it.
Well, you've been very fortunate. You've toured the #1 lab in
Yes.
the country in
Yes.
Salt Lake City, Utah.
Recently, yeah.
And it provides stem cells to medical facilities.
Correct.
What did you learn there?
I toured Predictive Biotech. It is the #1 lab in the country. They process 60 to 90% of all donated umbilical cord tissue. They are FDA approved, and they are the only lab with the patent for extracting mesenchymal stem cells. So we're talking about a lab that is putting out 150,000 injections to date with never a problem.
And FDA compliant.
Yes, so I was lucky to get inside the lab. I saw all the processes, all the record keeping. I saw the tissues being processed and the extreme controls that come along with that.
And you've been very busy since we've seen you. You've
Yeah,
been in
I've been a lot of places. Yeah.
Now back to the East Coast,
Yeah.
Philadelphia with Dr. Stephen Warren. What happened there?
Yes, so we brought in Dr. Stephen Warren, and the reason we picked Dr. Warren is he is the expert on stem cell therapy. You can see our staff, that's our medical staff up on screen.
Very proud of them.
All 4 of our locations, all medical staff trained with Dr. Warren. We like to partner with MDs who have been using this treatment from the very beginning because it is such a new treatment. He is an expert, not just in his experience level. His knowledge is now our knowledge, but also he's an innovator. So we have protocols for autism, organ and tissue renewal, and most recently aesthetics.
And about aesthetics, we have a photo that's going to knock your socks off, I'm sure.
Right.
We have a before and after of what it looks like to have a liquid facial.
Yes, what we're seeing here is derma needling, which has been around for a while, but we're seeing stem cell and human cell and tissue product enter many disciplines. And when a patient has microneedling and we layer in this case, amniocyte or even stem cells, what we're seeing is a full body response in addition to the location there. And so this patient is only 2 days after 1 treatment. The course of treatment is 3 treatments over several months. So you have no more plastic surgery look.
Right.
The skin, the face is just younger.
And she feels how? You talked to her today. What did
Well,
she
she's
say?
ecstatic. I mean, I'm next, right?
Are you really?
Yes, you
Will
should
you
come
come
with
back?
me.
Oh, thanks. We do everything together,
We'll do it
Jen.
together.
Yes,
Yeah.
indeed.
Yeah.
I'll go if you go. I'll do it if you do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
And allow me to say, we are the demographic.
Oh,
of
of
this.
course.
Yeah.
I'm over 50. I'm relevant.
I'm over 60.
I want to be relevant. And, you know, any injection of this product is a wellness injection. So we don't have to choose.
I'm so happy that you're here today.
Thank you.
And coming up, after the break, we go back to PA Green Wellness and we dive closer into the science and technology of stem cells. We'll be right back.